द हिंदू एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन हेडिंग इज मोटिवेटेड लिटिगेशन। स्टूडेंट्स आप सभी के ये जो डिक्टेशन है काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है, जो आपके अपकमिंग स्किल टेस्ट आएगा, इसलिए आप इसको इग्नोर न करें, इसको आप टाइप करें और इसको आप राइट डाउन भी करें। पहले इसको राइट डाउन करें फिर टाइप करें। ओके। कोड शुड नॉट अलाउ, कोड को नहीं अलाउ करना चाहिए सूट्स दैट सीक टू कन्वर्ट प्लेस इज ऑफ वर्शिप। ये वर्शिप यानी कि वर्शिप के बारे में है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं डिटेल में, हम इसको डिक्टेशन करेंगे। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। इन स्टेइंग द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ एन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट order to appoint a commissioner to inspect the Shahi Idgah Mosque in Mathura. The Supreme Court has told for a while a likely move to get the status of the place of worship altered through the courts. The top court has halted the appointment of the commission after finding it was sought on vague grounds without any particular reason. It has also taken into account a recent precedent in which the Supreme Court has ruled that civilian courts should not grant any interim relief if there is a question about the maintainability of the suit or if the suit is barred by law. The Committee of Management of the Shahi Idgah Mosque has questioned the maintainability of the suit in the name of the deity Bhagwan Sri Krishna Virajman and other Hindu worshippers on the ground that it is barred by the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991, which prohibits the conversion of the religious character of any place of worship as it was on August 15, 1947. It also bars any fresh suit aimed at altering the status of a place of worship. Hindu devotees have been claiming that the mosque located adjacent to a Krishna temple there is standing on the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Several suits are pending in connection with the mosque in Mathura, and the Allahabad High Court has transferred all the suits to itself for disposal. The appointment of a commission to inspect the premises appeared to be an exercise to show that architectural features and artifacts of Hindu provenance could be found. The legal strategy is similar to the one through which Hindu worshippers obtained official sanction for gathering purported evidence to back their case at the Geneva Mosque, Varanasi, where the Archaeological Survey of India has been asked to do a scientific survey. The Mathura dispute, however, was settled through a compromise between the Sri Krishna Janamsthan Seva Sansthan and the Shahi Ida Trust in 1968 and implemented through a decree in 1973. As part of the settlement, the Santhan had given up a portion of the land to the Idka. The current suits challenge this compromise as fraudulent and seek the transfer of the entire parcel of land to the deity. The use of the judiciary to make a concerted attack on Muslim places of worship by claiming that they were built on structures of Hindu origin has become an unfortunately regular feature. Courts must be wary of encouraging such motivated litigation and determine at the earliest stage whether such suits are maintainable in view of the statutory bar in the 1991 Act. Stop.